This is the tracker for FIAP. And first of all, you have to create an account. Put your first name, surname, your email address and a password. And you have to check and read the terms and conditions. You create an account. We've already got one, so we'll just log in. So we're on to the sign up screen, but down the bottom we've got buy me a coffee. And this actually is to help me pay for the ongoing costs and the cost of doing the app. So let's go into resources, and you can see again all the details of, you've got the email address, you've got buy me a coffee, you've got BPE transformer, you've got BPE FAQ, the FIAP FAQ, and the terms and conditions. So we'll sign up, we'll log into the FIAP. And this is what you'll see, and what you need to do is import your Excel sheet, and we'll just browse to that and choose the Excel sheet to import. Obviously they could all be different, but basically this checks out the columns, and you may have to alter some of these parts, but this one is fairly well sorted out the correct column for the correct item. So down the bottom you've got acceptances only, you've got everything which we're going to check, and you've got ignore the filter and just import acceptances. So we've just scrolled down to the bottom now, so we're getting everything, and it will import all those details, and there it is, all the details are imported, and it's differentiated the acceptances. So you can see along the top we've got all the acceptances, we've got all the salons, and we've also got the total number of entries. Now we're on to a different example, and basically you can see now we've got the autofill lookup. We've got everything along the top, and the FIAP number lookup. So in this box you tap the FIAP number and then press lookup, and it will find the exhibition name, it will find a country. All you have to do is put the image title in and pick the section, and this is all from the Salon itself, and it automatically saves, and so you're on to the next one. You press look up again, and it will put that same exhibition back in for you to do your image title and your section. So big time saver. So now we've clicked the acceptances, and you can see all the acceptances are blocked out, and so if you want you get acceptances, you just tick that box and that becomes an acceptance. So you can search by salon name or exhibition name, and it will just show those. You can search by years, so we've only got a few in at the moment. And the other thing is you can export, and you want to do this on a regular basis, and this is what it looks like. So this will export all your items, and if need be you'll be able to use that to import it all back in if there's a problem. So we also got an apply, so you hit apply and it brings up a Excel sheet similar to the FIAP official one, and hopefully some of this can be added into the official sheet, or it can just be used as a reference. On the header there's various things. This question mark, and this will take you into the FAQ. Again, up above is a half moon shape, and this will change it from white to black and back again. Also there is statistics, and we haven't got many things in, but it gives you an overall of your best performing titles. Now this should be good for all your needs. It allows you to input, select acceptances and output.